Okay, I just want to show you I reinstalled the windshield, did a windshield replacement, removed the molding that goes right here. You do always break the top clip if you're going to reuse it, and then the rest of these pins will slide as I showed in the previous video. So reinstalling, I just always reinstall the top clip so it's there, there's no void. Let me make sure we're good here. Then you got to open the door, line up the pins. One down. Let's go to the other side. Again, the same thing. You end up breaking out the top clip right here, and then the rest of these clips will slide right down. So you're pulling the assembly up so that'll release all the clips. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you break number 7, which is at the top. Again, open the door. Line up your pins. And there you go. You just reinstalled the side molding on the side. So the second time it won't have to be broke. You'll just give it a firm pull up, it'll unlatch, and you'll be good to go.